afternoon. My name is Todd Trivisonno, and prior to the boot camp, I was an outdoor guide for about the last decade, working mainly with military populations overseas, and then there's my daughter. For the last 3 years, out for a nonprofit in Versailles called Life Adventure Center. I have a daughter, and actually now a couple more as well, and I was looking for opportunities that were a little bit more family friendly. And about a year ago, I was speaking with my friend Mame, who's also here, hey, Mame, and talking with her, and I had never considered really coding or web development before, but after talking to her, it really got me interested, and it started to connect that the tech industry is part of every industry. So maybe I would be able to marry my interests of the outdoors with the tech side, and then actually have time for my family, things like that. So that's really what kind of got me interested, and I did the intro course in the spring, really enjoyed it, and decided to do the fall boot camp. So that's why I'm here today. And I made a project called Katakeo, which is from the Greek, I can get my mug off of there, comes from the Greek word for instruction. So Sunday mornings, I have the pleasure of teaching a bunch of middle schoolers the Bible, and they have, it's a confirmation class, catechism class. And so they have memorization work that they love to do. And so I wanted to make something that would encourage them and make it a little bit more fun. So I made a little gamified version of it. So you are able to sign in, or you can just jump in right as a guest and start playing right away. And it pops up with a list of different categories. And this is all topics that we cover in the class, which they're in for about 3 years. And so you can select something like hey, I want to work on the 10 Commandments or the Lord's Prayer. And each time it'll remove different words from their work, and they have to try to put in the correct words and see if they get it right. If they get it wrong, they get nicely chastised by Martin Luther, very Lutheresque. And they can try again. So future iterations, I'd really like to add more fun to that with the scorer and all that good stuff. But I'd love to talk with you. I'll be in the back corner, and let me know. I'm Todd Trivisonno. Thanks.